koikore mar dhi e jua kali. Ramogi wadhi nyime. Migawo mar Doho chano mar gero Doho e sub-county ma Seme kod Nyakach e kaunti ma Kisumu kaka yo mar chwalo chenro mag Doho ne jopiny. Maeri biro bang' ogai mar Doho Martha Koome yango yo manyasani mar chwalo chenro mag Doho kendo yango Doho makende mabiro yalo weche motenore gi ketho mag kit chuech.
She has worked with us. She loves children. She loves everybody.
So much, not just to victims.
2023, and by May that have started. Thank you very much. Yeah, one of the things I really want to ask the youth.
We have e-filing, we have SGBB registry, and we have the small claims court. We are truly, truly grateful to all of you, and I have no words to thank you, but other than to tell you, your reward shall be in heaven. To collaborate with the county governments as partners in our quest to increase our footprints, we will continue working together, particularly in the area of getting land to be allocated and to develop physical infrastructure to house our courts in constituencies that do not have court stations already. We requested for land to build a court in Seme. We want a court in Nyakach.
As a government, we commit to continue strengthening our cooperation with the judiciary to ensure that service delivery remains our drive.